Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Lee J. Lockhart, and I'm taking you inside KSC. Hurricane Dorian skirted the coast of Kennedy Space Center on September 3rd and 4th. The Category 2 storm churned up ocean waves along the shore and brought wind and rain to the area. A few days before Dorian's arrival, the mobile launcher atop the crawler transporter was moved from Launch Pad 39B back to the Vehicle Assembly Building as a precaution when Dorian was a Category 5 hurricane. NASA closed the center ahead of the storm's onset, with only a small team of specialists known as the Ride-Out Team on center for the hurricane. Kennedy Director Bob Cabana presented awards to NASA and contractor workers during the center's annual NASA KSC Honor Awards ceremony. The event was held on September 10th at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Employees were recognized for their achievements in various categories, including their efforts to help prepare the spaceport to support Artemis missions to the Moon and onto Mars, and working to return U.S. astronauts and U.S. spacecraft to the International Space Station. And remember, Spaceport Magazine digs deeper inside KSC.